You see?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. But he's a little bit trick. You know why? Because you see this line? You have to
Yeah.
break this line.
You have to break it.
So to break this line, he need a lot of money over there. He need money. So what he can do, he can come here, take this money over there. He can create more liquidity. He already create one here. So I can put this one here. Right? I can smart this one, take this one, try to do like this, come smart this one, come this one here, try to play a little bit and start to shoot.
Yeah.
And play a little bit and shoot like this. Right? Why? Because remember, we're going to the daily zone on the 4 hour. So the daily zone can match to go to the weekly zone. So what they will do, this is something I remember, what they can do, they can make like, try to trick people here. That's what I think. They can try to trick people here because he did that one time, he pushed. He did that second time, he pushed. People would think he would do the third time to push.
Yeah.
Right? This is a trick. People will think he will do the third time and push. But on the reality, if you see here, we have a zone here. And this zone is the high-low of the 4 hour zone.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember. Yeah.
Remember, right? So but you know what? Right now I have a fight in my head, you know.
Okay.
Yesterday I said, you know what? I don't have to take trade, you know, for the rest of the week. You know. At the same time, I have like, you know, this one in my mind. At the same time, when I see this one, I say this is a good potential too. You know,
Yeah.
you can play too, but you never know.
Have you been able to conclude on Euro USD?
Euro USD, right?
Yeah. You know.
No, I didn't. I leave that alone.
Okay.
I leave that alone because here is not clear for me here. I don't know what
Yeah.
they try to do. It's not really clear for me here. Because look, this is another zone here,
So close.
right?
Yeah.
So I don't know what they try to do. They can do that. They can play here, right? Come here, take this liquidity too, and from here shoot.
Yeah.
But today candle will tell you what the mostly wants to do today, right? Because depending on how the daily candle close for today.
For what? You talk about USD?
Yes, depending on how the daily candle close today. That will tell you they want to bring it, take it
So
lower.
you see on the daily, so on the daily, I can see this one like a strong area too. I can see here like a strong area.
Mm-hmm.
And this area, you see, because the price came here, slapped down, came here, slapped down. And when he came here, look what he did. Right?
Consolidated.
It's consolidated and it shoot. So when it shoot, sometimes the price want to come to retest this area and shoot again.
Yeah.
Right? People use a break and retest. Okay. So you can do that too on the daily side. Right? You got me right on the daily side. You
Yeah.
can do that too.
Yes.
Because here, if
Yes.
I put it, you will see we have a zone here, we have a zone here, we have a zone here. This is a strong area, right?
Mm-hmm.
It got broke. So if it got broke, that means they can retest, right? And shoot. So when we come to the 4 hours, right? If you can see on this same area, I have a zone when the price got pushed very hard. You see this one, right? So if I want to take a trade here on EURUSD, I will consider the second one.
Yeah.
That's why you can see I put my area here, right? So I consider more this, right? But also the price can come here, right? The price can come here and shoot too.
Yeah.
So we don't decide. We don't decide. If you can decide what we can do on the market to push the market, it will be so good.
Everybody
Right?
will be a millionaire.
So it makes sense. It makes sense for me, right? To take a trade here, right? And a confiance with the EMA on this area. On the confiance with the EMA area, on this area,
Yeah.
right? And you can see here the price got shoot here, like shoot, face, and shoot.
And also the trend line.
And also the trend line, right? This one got broke. So the trend line, it might be not what he can do here, right? Because we on the daily, right? What he can do, he can create a week on this area. Just shoot
Yeah.
Yeah.
with only one
And
candle,
and then
right?
reject.
And reject
Mm-hmm.
and close on the top of the trend line.
That's when we go for a buy.
That's why, yes, this kind of thing, that's why we can go and buy. But this will be very interesting, here. So what I can do, I can remove this one and put my liquidity somewhere here. Because this one is the liquidity too.
Yeah.
So I got two places right there. Inside of the zone this is a strong zone, right?
Yeah, because a lot of
Inside
tested.
the zone, yes, with the confiance. So for me, it makes sense to take a trade here for me. It makes sense to me to take a trade here. Right.
So I think this trade probably be ready next week. If it is, this week might be.
Yes, it can be. Yes, you can be ready for next week. Now, what you can do, because me, I don't do that. What you guys can do, and this is very dangerous, right? It's very dangerous. From
Counter
here to
trend.
here,
Yeah.
from here to here, you can find a trade between this one and here on the 5
Yeah.
minutes or 15 minutes, right? And target
Can you
high time one.
can you go on the 15 minutes to see if it give you
Okay. Of course, it will give you if you go on if you go on the 15 minutes, it will give you something.
But we'll have
nothing.
to break in order for you to enter
You see,
on the 15.
this is the 15 minute.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. He hasn't break it yet.
So
The fifth.
before,
He hasn't
before you
breaked
go
it.
to the 15 minutes, but before you go to the 15 minutes, you will use the 1 hour, like your high time frame.
Okay, so go on the 1 hour.
Or you can use the maybe 2 hours or maybe whatever it is.
So okay,
Go to 1
let's go
hour.
on the 1 hour. So if we want to use the 1 hour as the high time frame, so how do we analyze that 1 hour to create a cell?
So this is 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
You see, this is 1 hour right there. So from here to here, people can still look at the trade to take a trade here to here. So if I do this, this is 92 pip. So people can try to find something on this area, whatever they try to do, and
Okay, if you're
just
going for a cell, how will you enter a cell right now? Will you know you will want that break of structure on the 1 hour, and then we test at
Okay.
the fair
yes,
value gap to enter.
yes, that's what you can do. But I don't, I don't
Even
wanna.
if it's not going to be a good trade. If you're looking at
Yes,
it
it's
from
not
1
gonna
hour,
be. It's
price
not
has
gonna
to
be a
break,
great trade.
price has to break that area where there's liquidity.
You see
Then
why you have to break
yeah,
this one before you're looking
yeah,
for enter.
exactly. Then you now look for a fair value gap and see if you can now
You
enter
see
from there.
why? Because if the price push down and break this one, what he would do, he would try to create something like this,
Yeah.
right? And push again.
Push.
Because he have to do a high low, right? On the 1 now.
Yeah.
And that's what he would do until the price, shoot here.
Yeah. For me, it's not worth it because the risk to reward is not
He's
going to
now,
be
yes,
fine. It's going
yeah.
to be like, wow.
I mean, if it's 90 pips, and right now you put your stop loss at the thing.
It could be 90 pips, but your stop loss is going to be too wide. That's the problem.
Oh, okay.
The stop loss will be too wide.
You see?
Then it's risky because you're going against the trend.
It is, yes, because you trade at the counter trend, actually. You don't trade with the trend. But here we trade with the trend.
Okay, with our thing
Okay?
is trading with the trend. Okay.
You see why? You see this arrow? This arrow show me the big boy are
Uptrend.
going on the same direction. Right? This is something I know. They're going on the same direction.
And
Look what
Ivan, you
happened
never
here.
know. By
Look,
tomorrow, we
look.
might get an entry. Who knows? There's a lot of news.
So look what happened here. You see here, if you see inside this one, look.